14 types of mental health conditions explained, and what are they? PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, can occur to a person after being exposed to a traumatic event, can result in physical, mental, and interpersonal effects, depending on the individual and reason for diagnosis. CPTSD, complex post-traumatic stress disorder, relevant factors mentioned in PTSD. In addition, patterns of neglect, exposure to violence or trauma have been found to contribute to this condition. Vicarious trauma is for paramedics, doctors, psychological staff, for when they're on the job and they've seen or heard something that has traumatized them. Depression. Situational depression can follow an incident or a loss where we feel really low for a period of 2 to 6 weeks. Major depressive disorder, otherwise known as clinical depression, is a prevalent and chronic condition. We might feel a loss of interest in things we once loved, brain fog and exhaustion might set in. Anxiety. Situational anxiety can occur when we feel worried about something like getting a needle or that test we may need to study more for, those types of things. GAD, generalized anxiety disorder, is when situational anxiety actually becomes a disorder. So there's no longer a situation, just daily anxiety. Panic disorder is a condition used to describe a person having regular reoccurring panic attacks that are extreme and or disabling by nature. Anxiety attacks or GAD symptoms may also be present. SAD, social anxiety disorder, the fear of public places and being judged, watched or embarrassed in a public place by others. Agoraphobia is a type of anxiety disorder phobia, the fear of open spaces. A person may be afraid to leave an environment they know for fear of having an anxiety or panic attack. Bipolar 1, a condition categorized by mania and hypomania, followed by bouts of manic depression for long periods of time, usually many months. Bipolar 2, categorized by reaching hypomania and going through bouts of manic depression for long periods of time. Schizophrenia, a condition described as a mixture of positive attributes, add something, such as voices, delusions, paranoia, and negative, take something away, such as regulation of mood. BPD, borderline personality disorder, is a condition categorized by an inability to self-regulate emotions, participating in risky behaviors, and trouble keeping relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll go into what methods we can do to help ourselves in another video.